Hello, and welcome to CelebXplore Hub. Tonight, we're stepping onto the glitzy red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival, where Hollywood stars and fashionistas dazzle under the French Riviera sky. But amidst the glamour, there's a heartwarming family affair and a star-studded premiere you won't want to miss. Stay tuned as we uncover the highlights of Sienna Miller's enchanting evening. Sienna Miller, the epitome of elegance, graced the red carpet at the Cannes Film Festival alongside her dashing beau and look-alike daughter. The actress, 42, stunned in a semi-sheer lavender gown, accentuating her radiant aura as she debuted her latest film, Horizon, an American saga. Accompanied by her partner, Ollie Green, 27, and her mini-me daughter Marlowe, 11, Sienna exuded sophistication and grace. Marlowe, making her debut appearance, mirrored her mother's charm in a sweet pink dress, while Ollie looked dapper in a classic black suit. The premiere wasn't just about Sienna's captivating presence, it was a family affair celebrating love and artistry. The star-studded event also saw Hollywood legend Kevin Costner, along with his daughter Grace, gracing the red carpet in style. Joined by co-stars Ella Hunt, Abby Lee, and Jenna Malone, the evening shimmered with elegance and glamour. From flowing gowns to intricate designs, the red carpet was a canvas of cinematic splendor. As the stars descended upon Cannes, they brought with them a spectacle of beauty and talent. Sienna Miller's radiant presence, alongside her cherished family, illuminated the night, leaving us in awe of the magic of cinema. Join us next time for more exclusive insights into the world of entertainment here on CelebXplore Hub. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Until next time, this is CelebXplore Hub signing off.